Nearly 50% of adults over the age of 65 live with some form of arthritis, according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, America's leading public health authority. Half of all seniors living each day with aching joints, stiffness, and the quiet fear that every step might one day become too difficult. But arthritis isn't just about pain. It's about freedom. The freedom to walk to the mailbox, to reach for a grandchild's hand, to wake each morning knowing your body can still carry you through the day. And here's the truth most people don't hear enough. The battle against arthritis isn't only fought with pills or prescriptions. It can be fought, and often softened, through the food you choose to nourish yourself with each day. Today, we'll explore 4 powerful plant-based proteins that have been scientifically shown to ease joint pain and soothe inflammation naturally. Simple foods, accessible foods. And at the very end, we'll reveal the single most powerful protein source for arthritis relief, the one that could make the biggest difference in how freely you move. Before we dive in, if you believe that nourishing your body with the right foods can be a powerful step toward reclaiming your strength, I invite you to comment protein below. It's a simple way to affirm that you're committed to moving freely, living fully, and healing naturally. And if you haven't already, take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Here, we share real strategies, backed by science, and delivered with heart, to help you live stronger, longer, and with more joy. Now, let's begin our journey, starting with a tiny seed that holds surprising strength, a food that's not just easy to add to your meals, but one that quietly works to soothe inflammation from the inside out. Let's discover it together. Food number 4, chia seeds, the tiny giants of joint relief. Sometimes the greatest power comes in the smallest forms. Chia seeds, tiny, dark, and full of quiet strength, carry within them a gift for anyone battling arthritis: the ability to calm inflammation gently, naturally, and effectively. Packed with plant-based protein and a special type of omega-3 fatty acid called alpha-linolenic acid, chia seeds work deep within the body to soothe the invisible fires that stiffen joints and steal freedom. And that matters, especially as we age. Because inflammation isn't just something you feel, it's something that silently reshapes how you move, how you live, and how much of the world you can still reach. According to the Arthritis Foundation, omega-3s have been shown to ease joint pain and even improve hand grip strength, giving back little pieces of independence that mean everything. But there's something else that makes chia seeds special for seniors. They are wonderfully gentle. Unlike harder seeds that can be rough on digestion, chia seeds absorb water and transform into a soft, gel-like texture, soothing to the stomach, easy to swallow, and even helping to keep the body hydrated. It's like giving your joints a soft, healing embrace from the inside. Adding chia seeds into your day is simpler than you might imagine. You could soak a few tablespoons overnight in almond milk or water. By morning, they become a smooth, nourishing pudding, perfect for stirring into a bowl of yogurt, blending into a smoothie, or enjoying with a touch of honey and cinnamon for a sweet, gentle start to your day. Imagine beginning your morning with something that not only tastes good, but quietly rebuilds your strength. Or picture sprinkling a spoonful of chia seeds over warm oatmeal, letting them melt into the meal, tiny pearls of support for every step you'll take that day. It's not about changing everything you eat. It's about weaving small threads of healing into the fabric of your life. Threads so soft and natural, you might not even notice the difference at first. But your body will. Chia seeds bring quiet resilience, the kind that strengthens tendons, calms inflammation, and makes movement a little lighter, a little freer, a little more joyful. And now, from the delicate power of tiny seeds, we step into something hardier, a source of plant-based strength that has fueled the lives of countless generations. Let's move forward. Food number 3, lentils, the warm heart of plant-based strength. There's something comforting about a warm, hearty bowl of lentils. It's not just the nourishment they offer, it's the feeling of being cared for, the quiet reassurance that you are giving your body what it truly needs to stay strong, move freely, and live fully. Lentils have been a cornerstone of human diets for thousands of years. and there's a good reason for that. They are packed with high-quality plant protein, a kind of strength that doesn't burden the body, but quietly rebuilds the muscles, tendons, and ligaments we depend on every day. And for seniors, this is vital. As the years pass, it's natural for muscle mass to shrink, a silent process called sarcopenia. It's one of the hidden thieves behind falls, fatigue, and the slow loss of independence. Lentils offer a powerful answer. Their rich supply of protein and iron helps to protect against muscle wasting and the creeping weakness of anemia. They nourish not just the body's strength, but its energy, making daily movements feel lighter, steadier, more confident. And bringing lentils into your day can be as simple as it is nourishing. You might simmer them gently in a pot with just water, a little garlic, and a sprinkle of rosemary. The result is a tender, fragrant bowl of warmth, perfect for a quiet lunch or a comforting dinner after a long day. Imagine a soup where soft lentils mingle with tender carrots and celery, each spoonful offering a small but steady gift of resilience. Or perhaps a handful of cooked lentils folded into a crisp salad, where every bite reminds you that strength can be built quietly, deliciously, without disruption to your life. It's not about changing everything. It's about small, beautiful acts of care, choosing foods that have cared for countless generations before us. Because every tender mouthful of lentils is a quiet rebellion against fragility, a whispered promise that you are not giving up your freedom without a fight. And now, as we leave the comforting warmth of lentils behind, we turn to a different kind of strength. Strength hidden in a crunch, resilience packed into a handful of seeds. Let's move forward. Food number 2. Pumpkin seeds, tiny shields for your joints. Sometimes, the strongest armor comes in the smallest pieces. Pumpkin seeds, humble, green, and often forgotten, carry a strength that joints, bones, and muscles quietly long for, especially as the years pass. These small seeds are rich in plant-based protein, yes, but they also deliver something even more precious for anyone living with arthritis: a powerful dose of magnesium and zinc. Magnesium acts like nature's muscle relaxer, calming tight, overworked tissues. And zinc, that quiet guardian, is essential for maintaining the health of cartilage and connective tissue, the very framework that lets you bend, walk, and stretch without pain. For seniors, this combination is a rare treasure, because aging doesn't just wear down joints, it weakens the body's natural defenses against inflammation and breakdown. Pumpkin seeds offer a way to restore that defense, quietly, naturally, deliciously. And adding them to your daily life can be as simple as reaching for a handful when you feel the need for a snack. Picture toasting a few pumpkin seeds lightly on a pan, just enough to coax out their nutty aroma. A pinch of sea salt, a sprinkle of cinnamon, maybe a touch of olive oil if you like. And there you have it, a crunchy, satisfying bite of resilience, ready whenever you need it. Or imagine sprinkling a spoonful over a warm bowl of oatmeal, letting the seeds melt slightly into the comfort of your breakfast. Each bite, each crunch, becoming a silent promise to your joints that they are not forgotten. Even blending pumpkin seeds into a soft, nourishing spread, mixed with a little olive oil and herbs, can transform a simple piece of toast into a meal of strength and protection. Because healing doesn't have to be heavy-handed. It can be as light as a handful of seeds, as easy as a gentle addition to what you already enjoy. And while pumpkin seeds bring us the strength of minerals and the quiet power of plants, our final protein offers something even more profound. A plant-based gift so complete, so deeply nourishing, it stands at the very top of our list. Stay with me, the best is still to come. Food number 1, tofu, the gentle giant of plant-based healing. Among all the plant-based foods that nourish, protect, and restore, tofu stands quietly at the very top. Soft, versatile, and profoundly rich in complete protein, tofu brings together everything that aging muscles and aching joints crave. It offers not just protein, the building blocks of strength, but also a rare set of compounds called isoflavones. These natural plant chemicals, found abundantly in tofu, have been shown to calm inflammation, support bone density, and protect cartilage, the precious tissue that keeps your joints moving smoothly and painlessly. For seniors, This matters more than ever, because aging isn't just about losing strength. It's about the silent erosion of the body's scaffolding, bones, muscles, joints, all slowly giving way unless they are carefully, lovingly nourished. And tofu offers that nourishment in a form that's easy to digest, gentle to chew, and endlessly adaptable to the foods you already love. You don't need to become a gourmet chef to bring tofu into your life. Imagine gently sautéing small cubes of tofu with a little olive oil, a sprinkle of turmeric for anti-inflammatory power, and a pinch of sea salt. In just minutes, you have a warm, golden meal ready to nourish and protect you. Or picture adding soft slices of tofu into a bowl of vegetable soup, where it soaks up the flavors and melts softly on the tongue, each bite bringing strength where weakness once tried to settle. For those who enjoy lighter meals, marinating tofu in lemon juice, herbs, and olive oil can create a refreshing, protein-rich salad that's perfect for lunches on warm days. It's not about drastic changes. It's about folding these gifts gently into your routine until they become part of the rhythm of your life, a rhythm marked not by decline, but by renewal. Because every bite of tofu is a quiet step back toward the vitality you deserve. A reminder that strength doesn't have to fade. Movement doesn't have to slip away. Freedom doesn't have to be a memory. And just as tofu offers the softness of healing wrapped around unshakable strength, it invites us to look deeper, to see that inside each small choice, each meal, each moment of care, lies the power to transform how we age, how we move, and how we live. From the richness of the earth's seeds to the quiet wisdom of ancient foods, nature offers everything we need to write a different story for ourselves. And that story doesn't end here. Maybe as you listen today, you recognize something in yourself. The slow, creeping stiffness, the quiet wish that movement could be just a little easier, the hope that life could still be lived on your own terms, without constant reminders of what's been lost. And the beautiful truth is, it can be. Because healing isn't only found in medicine bottles or doctor's offices. It lives in the quiet choices you make each day, in the meals you prepare, in the nourishment you offer to the muscles, the joints, the spirit that have carried you through so much already. Today, you discovered 4 powerful plant-based allies that can help ease pain, calm inflammation, and gently rebuild the strength you thought was slipping away. Tiny chia seeds, offering hydration and soothing energy. Hearty lentils, rebuilding muscles and restoring vitality. Pumpkin seeds, protecting your joints and refreshing your defenses. And tofu, soft yet powerful, supporting every step you take toward freedom. These aren't magical cures, but they are powerful tools. Small, steady bridges back to movement, independence, and quiet joy. Dr. Walter Longo teaches that aging well is not about denying time. It's about living more fully within it. And today, with these foods, you have new tools to do just that. If any part of today's message touched you, if you believe in the healing power of natural nourishment, I invite you to comment protein below. Let it be a simple sign that you're choosing to keep moving forward with strength and hope. And if you haven't yet, I warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel. Here, you'll find more ways to nourish your body, strengthen your spirit, and reclaim the vibrant life you deserve. Because your journey isn't over, it's only just beginning. And every step forward starts with one small, loving choice. See you in the next video.